In today's video, I'll show you how to record slow motion video on your Google Pixel. Let's get into the method. Open the camera app first and make sure you are in video mode. Select the video icon at the bottom for this. Now swipe through to the video mode called slow motion, and you should now be ready to start recording. However, you might be able to change the speed. Tap on the speed option, which should be in the bottom right in portrait or top right in landscape. You can now set the speed you want and change related settings, such as exposure or white balance. Once you've recorded slow motion, you might be able to edit the parts of the video that will actually play in slow motion within the Photos app on the video you've taken. That's how to record slow motion video on your Google Pixel. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.